Hi, here we are at the Waha Water District Pump House. And today, we're going to switch over the new pump to the old pump. Over here against the wall is where the controls are for these two pumps. All right, this is the electrical panel. This represents our first pump right here. This is pump A, and this represents pump B. To turn on this pump, which is pump B, or the right-hand side pump as you walk into the pump house, this one, you don't do anything with this button. Instead, over on the wall is a control panel. And all you have to do to turn this pump off is to hit the stop button. And to turn this pump off, all you have to do is to turn this switch off. If you turn this switch off before turning on the other pump, the pressure will drop. You don't want to do that. You want to have both pumps running at the same time and then power down one while the other one is gaining power. We're going to do that right now. I'm going to turn off the left-hand pump or this controller, and I'm going to turn on the right-hand pump with this control box over here. First, we're going to turn on the other pump. Very simple. Push this green button to start. Now the other pump is starting to wind up, and our pressure is holding steady. To turn off this pump, we go like this. And now the old pump is starting up, replacing the new one. To reverse the process, you turn on this lever to pump on. That starts the new pump. And once the new pump is started, you press the red stop button over here and this pump will stop. So that's all there is to it. It's not too difficult to switch over the two pumps, and we try to do that every 6 months or so, to let one rest and let the other one run. Make sure they're both exercised. At least a quarter every 6 months, something like that. The older pump runs hotter, a lot hotter than the new one, and so it's best to run it during the winter months, November through say March, and then we switch over to the newer pump, which runs from April through the end of October. Hope you've enjoyed this. It's probably going to be pretty boring, except for someone who needs to have a glass of water from the Waha Water District at some point in time. Take care. Bye.